Hey everyone! Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the fascinating world of continuously variable transmissions, or CVTs. If you've ever wondered how some cars seem to glide effortlessly down the road without the usual gear shifts, you're in the right place. CVTs are revolutionizing the way we think about car transmissions, offering smoother rides and better fuel efficiency. But what exactly are they, how do they work, and what are the pros and cons? Stick around as we break it all down for you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell for more automotive insights. Let's get started. What is a CVT? A continuously variable transmission, CVT, is an automatic transmission that provides an infinite number of gear ratios within a given range. Unlike traditional automatic transmissions that use fixed gears, CVTs can adjust seamlessly to provide optimal engine performance and efficiency. How CVTs work. CVTs typically use a system of pulleys and a belt or chain to create a variable gear ratio. The primary components include drive pulley, connected to the engine, it varies its diameter based on the engine load. Driven pulley, connected to the wheels, it also adjusts its diameter in response to the drive pulley. Belt/chain, transfers power between the two pulleys. As the vehicle accelerates, the pulleys change their diameters to maintain the engine's optimal RPM, allowing for smoother acceleration and improved fuel efficiency. Types of CVTs. 1. Belt-driven CVT. This is the most common type of CVT found in passenger vehicles. It uses a belt made of metal or rubber that runs between two variable diameter pulleys. Advantages. Smooth acceleration. Improved fuel efficiency. Lightweight design. Disadvantages. Limited ability to handle high torque. Potential for belt slippage under heavy loads. Chain-driven CVT. Similar to belt-driven CVTs but uses a chain instead of a belt. This design allows for higher torque handling. Advantages. Better durability under heavy loads. More efficient power transfer. Disadvantages. Heavier than belt-driven systems. Can be more complex and expensive to manufacture. Hydraulic CVT. This type uses hydraulic fluid to change gear ratios. It's less common but found in some specialized vehicles. Advantages. Can handle high torque applications. Smooth operation. Disadvantages. More complex design. Heavier and bulkier. Electronic CVT, ECVT. Used primarily in hybrid vehicles, ECVTs combine traditional mechanical components with electric motors to optimize performance. Advantages. Enhanced fuel efficiency in hybrids. Regenerative braking capabilities. Disadvantages. Complexity and cost. Limited application outside hybrids. Advantages of CVTs. Fuel efficiency. CVTs can maintain the engine at its most efficient RPM, improving fuel economy. Smooth acceleration. The absence of fixed gears results in seamless acceleration without noticeable shifts. Reduced emissions. By optimizing engine performance, CVTs can help reduce harmful emissions. Less mechanical wear. Fewer moving parts compared to traditional transmissions can lead to less wear over time. Disadvantages of CVTs. Driving feel. Some drivers dislike the rubber band feel of CVTs, where engine speed does not always correlate with vehicle speed. Durability concerns. Traditionalists argue that CVTs may not be as durable as conventional transmissions, especially under heavy loads. Cost. Repairing or replacing a CVT can be more expensive than traditional transmissions. Limited performance. In high-performance applications, CVTs may not provide the same level of responsiveness as traditional gearboxes. Common applications of CVTs. Passenger vehicles. Many manufacturers have adopted CVTs in their sedans and compact cars for improved fuel efficiency. Hybrids. CVTs are prevalent in hybrid vehicles due to their ability to optimize engine performance and work efficiently with electric motors. Scooters and motorcycles. Due to their lightweight and compact design, CVTs are commonly used in scooters and some motorcycles. Examples of vehicles with CVTs. Nissan Altima, one of the most well-known sedans using a CVT for improved fuel efficiency. Toyota Prius utilizes an eCVT to optimize performance between its gasoline engine and electric motor. Honda Accord features a CVT in its newer models for enhanced fuel economy. Subaru Outback uses a CVT for better, and there you have it, folks. We've explored the ins and outs of continuously variable transmissions, how they work, their benefits, and some of the drawbacks. Whether you're considering a car with a CVT or just curious about how they operate, we hope this video has shed some light on this innovative technology. Cut to B-roll of different cars with CVTs. So, what do you think? Are you team CVT or do you prefer traditional transmissions? Let us know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. Don't forget to subscribe for more automotive content and hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.